I'm Melissa Trevino, your neighborhood news reporter in Alice. You see them every year. Fireworks stands on the 4th of July. But one fireworks stand is doing something a little different to help raise money for students.
Okay, fine. So then we can go ahead and help you. It's important because sometimes kids don't have enough money. And with the prices, everything going up, I want to invite everybody to come in because it's not for us, it's for the community.
All of the money raised at Noel's fireworks stand in Rancho Alegre will go towards scholarships and local projects. In Alice, your neighborhood news reporter, Melissa Trevino, Chris 6 News.